Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone 17. So first, unlock your phone with your passcode, just like this. Then go into the settings and Face ID. Here type in your passcode and reset Face ID, and set up your face once again. But before you do that, take a microfiber and clean the front camera lens in here and make sure that during the setup you have a good lighting around you. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.